Let's dive into the world of generative AI and large language models, LLMs. We'll explore three popular models, GPT, Llama, and BERT, explaining how they work and their real-world applications. GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT models, developed by OpenAI, are a series of large language models based on the transformer architecture. They are pre-trained on vast amounts of text data and fine-tuned for specific tasks. GPT models generate human-like text by predicting the next word in a sequence, making them useful for tasks like text generation, summarization, and conversation. Real-world use cases: chatbots and virtual assistants. GPT models power conversational AI systems like ChatGPT. Content creation. They can generate articles, stories, and even poetry. Language translation. GPT models can translate text between different languages. Code generation. They can assist developers by writing and debugging code. Llama, large language model Meta AI, Llama models, developed by Meta AI, are also based on the transformer architecture. Wikipedia. https://en.wikipedia.org/wiki/llama_%28 language_model%29. They range from 7 billion to 65 billion parameters and are trained on publicly available datasets. Llama models are known for their efficiency and performance on various NLP tasks. Real-world use cases. Language understanding. Llama models can perform tasks like sentiment analysis and named entity recognition. Text generation. They can generate coherent and contextually relevant text. Research and development. Llama models are used in academic and industrial research to advance NLP technologies. BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. BERT, developed by Google, is a transformer-based model designed for natural language understanding. Unlike GPT, BERT is bidirectional, meaning it considers both the left and right context of a word in a sentence. This makes it highly effective for tasks like question answering, text classification, and named entity recognition. Real-world use cases. Search engines. BERT improves search results by understanding the context of user queries. Text classification. It can categorize text into different classes, such as spam detection. Question answering. BERT can answer questions based on a given text passage. Sentiment analysis. It can determine the sentiment of text, such as positive or negative reviews. These models have revolutionized the field of natural language processing and are being used in various industries to enhance human-computer interaction, automate tasks, and provide valuable insights.